Hi, this is a quick tutorial on how to use the pen tool when doing an opacity for imvu clothing. I've already done the top, so what I'm going to do is some panties on the bottom. And what you want to do is, if you look at the map that you're working on, you can see the curvature of the hips on the map and the stomach right here. So what you want to do is grab your pen tool on your ruler, left click and hold, and you can drag a guide out. This is going to not show up on your image, but it's going to help you line up where you need to be. And then drag one from the top to get to the hip line. And then what you want to do is you want to start right in the center where the lines cross. Click once. And then hold your shift key and go down and over one while holding shift. And then come up here to this little four-way right here on your map and click and hold. And then if you drag out to the left, it's going to create a curve. When you let go, hold down your Alt key and click right in the middle of your barbells to get the one, so that you just have a one-sided barbell now. Now you can click over here onto the hip. Do it again. Do the little curve again. Hold your Alt key down and click in the center. And then what you want to do is you want to bring the panties all the way over to the little indentation on the butt cheek. Pull it out and click your Alt key again. And then it doesn't matter where you click up here, as long as you get a straight line over to here. And you can also pull this out too, and you won't have to click in the center because you're closing your path. And then what you want to do when you've closed your path and your anchors are gone is click on your layers tablet, go over to paths, and then you need to click these little arrows right here and go to make a selection. And what I usually do is I set the feather radius to 0.5 pixels. Make sure your anti-aliases are turned on and make it a new selection, and then click OK. This will give you running ants around what you just drew with your pen tool. This way you can go back over to your layers tab and flood fill it white. Go ahead and click on your move tool, go to file, or go to edit copy, then go to file new. It should already have your dimensions in here of what you're wanting to copy, so just go ahead and click OK, and then go to edit paste. And what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead over, click on this image again and go to select deselect. We're going to view and clear guides. And then with the panty image, we're going to go to image, rotate canvas, and flip horizontally. That way we actually have this image flipped for this side. So just drag it over to this. Use your direction keys on your keyboard if you like to help you line up the other side. Make sure that it overlaps just a little bit so that you don't have any weird lines. And then what we're going to do with this is we're going to turn off all the other layers except for the panties. We're going to go up here and we're going to merge those two layers visible so that there's just one layer for the panties. Okay. And then right here, as you notice, the opacity part is just a little off. So what we're going to do is we're going to take our pen tool. We're going to drag a guide over to about right here. And then we're going to click on one line, shift, click to another, and hold your left mouse button down and drag it down just a little bit. This is going to give you just a little bit of a indent into your panties. And my Photoshop just freaked out, so sorry about that. And then go back over to your path, make it a selection again, and just hit your backspace. And it's going to take that, go to select, deselect, and it's going to take that, just that little piece out right there. If you want to make like a V shape in the front of your panties, what you need to do is turn the black layer off so that you can see the map again. Turn the opacity down on your panty layer so that you can see through. And then we're going to clear these guides and make some new ones. Just simply pull them out from your ruler, And then we're going to take and we're going to go from here down to the center and back up. And then close your path. Go over to Paths tablet. Go to Make a Selection. And hit your backspace. And then go to Select, Deselect. And now you have some panties that have like a little bit of a V shape in the front. And that's how you use your pen tool. Thank you.